Welcome to Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is brought to you by Traveling Tech Teacher. For all your digital resources, check out travelingtechteacher.com, and also brought to you by thebullieexposed.com, a 501c3 nonprofit organization geared at helping survivors of bullying, so let them help you. Hello, everyone joining the show. And also brought to you by stickitprinting.com.au. Get that right now. Stickitprinting.com.au. Our friends over in Australia. I'm not in my office today. I feel kind of weird. Hello, Young Blue, for joining the show. I'm not in my office today. My wife's working, so I got kicked out of there and I had to come somewhere else today to do the show. So, hope you like. This is my bedroom, guys. I want to say to you guys, can't forget that you guys know America's Got Talent, and so does Christy Wells, and we have her coming on the show May 16th. Finally got that settled with her people, and she's coming on May 16th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So we will be giving you the times of what will that be in Australia or in the UK. We're going to try to give you all that. But for now, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you live on the East Coast, that's 2 o'clock on Saturday, May 16th. So she's going to come on. And we're going to talk and we're going to learn all about her. We have always been a big, huge fan of Christina Wells. So we are so glad that we finally got her on. Me personally, I will tell you, Christine, if you're watching this, that I draw for your energy, your energy, because this is a person that was told that she couldn't be a singer simply because of the way that she looked. I've been told that I will never be a filmmaker simply because of the way, because of the types of films that I do. I want to end bullying. I want to do good with my films. So I was told I'm never going to make it because of that. So I kind of draw from her when I'm feeling a little low. But let's get on and talk about stickitprinting.com and our friend Olivia, who is, I hope I don't get this wrong, she's 10 years old. We did a video about her. You guys can go see it. We're working on getting a film done with our good friend Chris Hollingsworth, who's a former WWE wrestler, in creating a film about a different type of bullying. Let's just say that. I don't want to put it out there yet. A different type of bullying that you'd be surprised about. But in my in working, I found my good friend Olivia, who has created a t-shirt called the Buzz Off Bully t-shirt to gain funds to help bring awareness in her school about bullying. Well, she created a new t-shirt, and she was nice enough to give us this one, and then when she created a new one, she gave us another one. So we're going to do an unpacking. I just got it here today all the way from Australia. So we'll do an unpacking of that. But before we do that, I want to tell you about this great inspirational quote that I heard today from one of our followers, Young Blue, that we all die, and the goal isn't to live forever. The goal is to create something that will live forever. So I paraphrased on that. I'm sorry. And I think that's what this young girl is doing. That she's doing something so that her name will live forever, and that's real good. So before we unpack that one, I want to read the note that she gave me last time. Yes, I still have the note that she gave me last time. It says, "Dear the Bully Exposed, hi, it's Olivia. I'm 8 years old, and I'd like to say thank you for wanting to wear my t-shirt. This means a lot because I've been bullied and I would like bullying to stop. I have been punched, kicked, stabbed, with a ruler and called names. It's not okay. I can't wait to see you wearing my shirt. And of course, I sent her tons of pictures of us wearing her old shirt. And now, let's get right to it and open the new one. And hopefully I'll have another terrific note in there that I can save. Boy, they really put a lot of glue on in Australia. They don't play around. I like to open it neat. That's another thing. I don't like to rip it because then that way I can keep it and keep it in a nice, safe area, nice and neat. So that's why it's taking me a while to open that up. Okay, so no note this time. That's okay. We know how she feels. Again, you know, the color purple in Australia is very different from our color. Orange color is very different from our color here in the United States. I love the color orange because it's the color of the New York Knicks. And as you guys know, for following me, you know I'm a huge New York Knicks fan. So this one now has the original fly. And I thought that was a B because it was buzz off. So I thought it was a B when I first got the shirt. I thought this was a B. It's not a B, it's a fly, guys. So it's the original fly with a bunch of other flies next to it saying, let's stick together. And that is true. That is true, guys. We don't stick together, bullying is not going to end. You know, for instance, a good example, talking about our new friend, Christina Wells. She's been bullied, and she'll come on the show and she'll tell us about it. And so she's working with us because we got to stick together. All of us have to stick together. So that's the new shirt. I don't know if they're still doing it. Check with them to be sure, but I think they're still. If you live in Australia, you're getting free shipping. So go, if you live in Australia, for all our Australian friends, please go to stickyprinting.com.au and buy yourself the Buzz Off Bully t-shirt. So Olivia's school and probably the schools around in her neighborhood can get educated on bullying and start helping out. But I like the shirt. I like the feel of it. All right. If you're thinking I want to buy the shirt, but you know, what is it? It's 100% cotton, guys. So it feels real good. This one, okay. So I told you, Olivia, I believe it's 10 or 9. So this was a year ago that she gave me this shirt. And I've washed it. I've wore it a lot on the shows. You guys know that. I haven't worn it on the shows in a while because I knew that I had this one coming and I want. But look, there's really no difference in the fade. Really, none at all. From a shirt that I either got 2 years ago or a year ago. Can't remember because I can't remember if she's 10 right now. There's really no difference. You can see it yourself. And it's comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. Like I said, I've wore this shirt out a lot because I was wearing it at one time, every time on a show. I would put it on the show. I would actually take it off, and then the next day wear it again and wear it again and wash it and then wear it again and wash it and wear it again. So it's very durable. It's very comfortable. So again, stickyprinting.com.au, get your t-shirt. Don't totally quote me on this, guys, but I think that they are doing free shipping if you live in Australia. But check with them first before you purchase at stickyprinting.com and let us know. Let me see if I can call a few of my friends, Tully and Giovanna, and call. Let me see if I can get Sticky Printing in and see if they can come talk to us. Can you join us live? And hopefully they will. But Rosalie, thank you for joining. Thank you, Rosa, for joining the show. So stickyprinting.com. Okay. Um, yeah. So now it's my duty to wear this shirt often. Tell people I always get compliments when I wear this shirt, and that people are always interested in finding out that the girl was only 8 years old when she first created this shirt. And I love telling stories like that, of young kids. I tell you about my good friend Sorenza. I would love to try and get her on the show as well. My good friend Sorenza that plays piano, plays um, guitar, writes her own music at the age of 13 years old. Well, she's probably 14 years old now, but still, young age. At 14, I was not, I was doing photography, but I never thought that I would do photography serious. I wish that I did take it serious. And Young Blue says, "Am I your friend?" Of course, Young Blue. You know that. but um, but I know I wasn't writing music. I was really didn't take my photography as serious. I wish I did take it when I was 15, 14 years old, but I never took it as serious. But I wish I did. But there's a new one. I'm not gonna we're live, so I'm not gonna change shirts, guys. So I hope none of you. But there's the new one. We gotta stick together. It's a perfect message, guys, because we do have to stick together. That's the only way we're gonna end bullying. It's really saddens me at times when I'm talking with other advocates and we can't seem to agree on certain things and they start to actually bully us because we're not agreeing, we're not seeing things the way they are. And it's like that's not what we're supposed to be doing. Let's just stick together, and we can't see to eye on this, fine. We'll see eye to eye on other projects. That's the way I look at it, you know. But again, stickerprinting.com.au. You know, if you can't afford, we know times are hard right now with the coronavirus. If you can't buy a shirt, at least go down there, talk to them. Send them an email, let them know of the good work they are doing. Don't forget to let them know you heard about them on the bullieexposed.com live feed with your host, Richard Santiago's show. And at least reach out to them and let them know that they're doing good. Believe me, I love getting emails from people that say, I can't afford to donate, but I just want to tell you about the great stuff you're doing. That is awesome to me. That is awesome to the other people who help out with this channel as well. And sometimes we do have volunteers that just help out for one or two projects, and they love to hear that too. They love to hear it too. They love to hear that what they're doing. Anytime you volunteer your time, you want to hear that what you're doing is making an impact. So, and the other day, someone told me that they don't have the $4.99 to watch our newest video, to rent our newest video. So we gave it to them absolutely free. Bev, thank you for joining the show. So, we just want you to tell people about us. We don't mind if you don't have funds to donate at this time. We don't mind that you live in a different area and you can't volunteer, physically come in and help out. But you guys can help out. Every time you smash that heart, every time you comment on our inspirational videos or inspirational posts, you are helping out. Anytime you share it with someone,